So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. The government is stepping in. Senate committee sends Uber and Lyft regulations to floor without recommendation. So the government is actually stepping in and saying, look, Uber and Lyft drivers deserve more pay and they deserve more benefits. So let's take a look at this. Do you want to read this part, Izzy?
Yeah. So the Senate Judiciary Committee voted to send a bill regulating Uber and Lyft to the floor on Wednesday night, with the caveat that they are not recommending its passage. Committee Chair Ron Latz, DFL St. Louis Park, said he's not sure the bill should become law or that he would vote for it when it reaches the full Senate.
This is huge news, guys. If you're an Uber Lyft driver, you want to make sure you listen to this.
Yes.
Also, if you're just joining, please, again, click the thumbs up button, smash it, and say hello in the chat. So let's read the most important part about this, but you want to read the part where it starts with Latz?
Yeah, so Latz and his fellow Democrats said they were supportive of the bill's aims to guarantee Uber and Lyft drivers minimum wages, better insurance coverage, and protections against being unfairly fired or deactivated. But the way the bill was written raised concerns that transportation network companies, including Uber and Lyft, might be unable to continue operating in Minnesota if the bill is enacted. So
you know what that means, guys? That could mean the end of Uber and Lyft in Minnesota. Because they're literally saying if they pass this bill, Uber and Lyft would not be able to operate, because they basically saying Uber and Lyft doesn't work if they actually have to pay their drivers a fair wage and protections. So they're basically saying Uber and Lyft only operate by underpaying drivers. And if Uber has to pay drivers fairly, they won't even be able to exist.
Wow.
So by you driving for Uber and Lyft, you're supporting Uber and Lyft's mission. I mean, their core values of, oh, we're relying on underpaying these drivers. We're outsourcing the main expense of car repairs, car maintenance to the driver. They have to eat the cost. They have to eat the cost of gas, etc. No overtime pay, by the way. Driver goes out and drives 80 hours a week. Oh, we're not paying him any extra, which is still absolutely absurd to me that we live in a country, like a capitalistic country, where you go out and drive and work 80 hours a week and zero overtime pay, no paid time off. It's kind of crazy to me.
Yeah.
So the government may be stepping in, and we will keep you guys up to date with that. Now, and again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is going to help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti, and they're going to help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.